Snowball. Snowball. Hey guys, it's Shiznit337 here. Snowball is out of the cage and I'm gonna try to get him on the shoulder. Snowball, what are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, hold this. It's go time. Come on, baby. Come on. Come here, come here. You're pretty good. Okay. Alright. Good bird. That's my birdie. Good boy. Good boy. Back up to the cage. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Come here. Next visit. Come here, baby. Come. I got you. It's okay. Come on, baby. Well, there you have it. This pretty bird right here was on my finger. I mean, on my shoulder. Shiznit337.